Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Thursday evening, August 7th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of business and corporate news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is Stonegate Capital Partners updates 2Q25 report on Gladstone Commercial Corp, NASDAQ GF. Stonegate Capital Partners recently updated its coverage on Gladstone Commercial Corp. In the second quarter of 2025, Good maintained its disciplined portfolio management approach, ending the quarter with 143 properties across 27 states. The company executed its capital recycling strategy by selling two non-core properties for $23.6 million and acquiring properties totaling 509,093 square feet for $79.3 million. Good reported strong operational fundamentals with a high occupancy rate of 98.7% and 100% cash rent collection. The company's portfolio composition consists of 67% industrial properties and 29% office properties. Good pays a 9.2% dividend yield, with payout ratios of 90% for FFO, 86% for core FFO, and 123% for AFFO. Valuation methods suggest a range of $14.84 to $16.86 per share.
Menlo Security introduces secure file access for managed and unmanaged remote users. Menlo Security has introduced Menlo Secure Storage and Menlo Adaptive Web, offering organizations greater control over user experiences and sensitive data. These new offerings ensure files and interactions never touch the endpoint, addressing remote work and data protection challenges. Menlo Secure Storage allows secure file collaboration in a zero-trust environment, eliminating the risk of sensitive data being downloaded to endpoints. Menlo Adaptive Web provides unparalleled browser control through cloud-based modules, allowing organizations to tailor user browsing experiences. Both solutions empower users while keeping enterprises in control, revolutionizing browser security. Menlo Security is showcasing these innovations at Black Hat in Las Vegas. For more information, visit www.menlosecurity.com. Qualys launches first Agentic AI-driven risk operations center for autonomous risk management. Qualys Inc. unveiled new Agentic AI capabilities on the Qualys platform, introducing a marketplace of cyber risk AI agents delivering real-time risk insights prioritized by business impact. This AI fabric reduces risk and operational costs by autonomously remediating risks with speed, scale, and accuracy, powering a more efficient risk operations center. Integrating Agentic AI marks a major leap in real-time risk reduction, enabling faster risk reduction, efficient resource usage, and greater accuracy in recommended actions. Qualys enhances its risk-centric automation capabilities with enterprise true risk management, delivering faster, more intelligent decision-making. The Qualys Marketplace offers pre-built AI agents for continuous risk insights, adaptive remediation, and custom AI agents tailored to specific business needs. Qualys Agentic AI is transforming how organizations manage cyber risk, ushering in a new era of AI-powered risk management.
Q&A with Edwin Orrego, Executive Loan Officer, Kennedy Funding. Direct, private land loan lender with $4 billion closed. Edwin Orrego, Executive Loan Officer at Kennedy Funding, a direct private lender with over $4 billion in closed loans, specializes in fast, flexible financing for real estate projects. Kennedy Funding stands out for its ability to provide capital quickly, especially for deals that traditional lenders won't touch. They focus on real estate secured loans for acquisitions, construction, and more, with a reputation for closing deals in as little as 2 days. Their expertise in raw land deals, both domestically and internationally, sets them apart from other lenders. In today's uncertain environment, Kennedy Funding continues to fund deals others shy away from, offering borrowers certainty of execution and a fast-moving approach to financing. J.H. Wall Paints and Precision Aerial Services sign leases at Business Park in Ranch Mission Viejo, California. JLL announced today that J.H. Wall Paints and Precision Aerial Services have signed industrial leases at Los Patrones Business Park in Rancho Mission Viejo, California. J.H. Wall Paints leased 3,620 square feet for e-commerce distribution, while Precision Aerial Services leased 2,130 square feet for equipment storage. The park offers move-in ready units ranging from 1,824 to 5,702 square feet, with amenities like 18-foot clear height and secured yard. Both companies were attracted to the park's strategic location and immediate occupancy availability. JLL's Chris Smith and Louis Tomaselli represented the landlord in the leases. Los Patrones Business Park is conveniently located near major highways for easy access to neighboring communities. For more information, visit JL.com.
Comunidad Partners expands South Carolina presence with acquisition of 234-unit garden-style multifamily. Plans to drive long-term value throughout portfolio. Comunidad Partners has acquired the Haywood, a 234-unit workforce housing property in Greenville, South Carolina. The firm aims to provide attainable housing for essential workers in high-demand markets. With Greenville's strong fundamentals and supply-constrained market, Comunidad plans to drive significant rent growth. The firm will invest in renovations and resident services to enhance the community. By focusing on customized programming, Comunidad aims to improve resident well-being and generate strong investment returns. The Haywood is conveniently located near schools, transportation hubs, healthcare centers, and recreational amenities. Comunidad Partners is a minority and women-owned firm dedicated to providing improved living experiences for residents in diverse communities. Learn more at comunidadpartners.com.
Local Park City's husband and wife duo to debut new D1 training studio in Midway Hollow. Local husband and wife duo Kendrick and Aaron Leckband are set to open a new D1 training studio in Park Cities at 1031 Marsh LN number 320 on August 9th. The facility offers sports science-backed training led by certified trainers for all ages. With a focus on youth athletics, the Leckbands aim to provide expert-level training to help young athletes reach their full potential. D1 training, known for its 5 core tenets of athletic-based training, is expanding nationwide and seeking passionate individuals to join their franchise network. For more information, visit the D1 Training website.
Labyrinth unveils Red Tape Index to help America build smarter. Labyrinth, a regulatory intelligence company, has launched the Red Tape Index to track and compare how efficiently U.S. states process building permits and zoning changes. The index reveals that 6 of the top 10 cities in the U.S. come from the top 3 states, issuing an average of 195 permits per 100,000 residents. This data, aggregated from various public sources, aims to provide transparency and collaboration. CEO Stuart Lacey emphasizes the importance of measuring inefficiencies to enable faster and smarter decision-making. The Red Tape Index will be updated quarterly and aims to help identify bottlenecks and improve permitting efficiency across regions. Labyrinth invites state, county, and city governments to participate in refining the index to build a clearer regulatory future. Learn more at www.redtapeindex.com.
Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on Electro-Optics Systems Holdings ASX EOS 2Q 2025. Stonegate Capital Partners updates their coverage on Electro-Optics Systems Holdings EOS after securing a $125 million contract for a 100-kilowatt high-power laser weapon system (HELW) for counter-drone warfare. This HELW can take down 20 drones per minute, making it 5 to 10 times more efficient than current options. The contract is expected to be accretive to margins and cash flow positive. EOS plans to secure another HELW contract in 2026, aiming to capture 50% of the HELW TAM. The company's growth outlook includes a focus on counter-drone RWS technology and ALBU technology, with strong order uptake and growing market opportunities. With a strong order backlog, positive operating cash flow, and a valuation range of 4.72 to 5.39, EOS is positioned for continued success.
SRS Real Estate Partners announces sales of 3 Starbucks properties in California, totaling $10 million. SRS Real Estate Partners has closed the sales of 3 Starbucks properties in California, totaling $10 million. These properties have drive-thrus, are new construction, and have long-term, corporate-guaranteed triple-net leases. Starbucks assets are attractive to investors due to strong corporate credit, long-term leases, and high-traffic locations. In the past year, SRS has transacted 39 Starbucks-occupied properties nationwide, exceeding $126 million in value. Specific sales include properties in Cathedral City, Temecula, and Redding, California. SRS Capital Markets continues to be a leading brokerage for Starbucks property sales, completing over $1.2 billion in deal volume this year. For more information, visit srsre.com. Biomed News Breaks, Sologenics Inc., SNGX, featured an NNW editorial on rare disease innovation. Sologenics Inc., traded on NASDAQ under the symbol SNGX, has been featured in a Network Newswire editorial focusing on rare disease innovation. The editorial highlights Sologenics' HiBright platform, a new treatment for cutaneous T-cell lymphoma, a rare skin cancer affecting older adults. With U.S.-based manufacturing now in place for HiBright's active ingredient, Sologenics is showing a commitment to innovation and support for underserved patient populations. Sologenics is a late-stage biopharmaceutical company specializing in treating rare diseases with unmet medical needs. The company's specialized biotherapeutics segment is advancing HiBright TM toward potential commercialization for CTCL treatment. Sologenics also has development programs for other diseases, including psoriasis, inflammatory conditions, and vaccines for diseases like ricin toxin, Ebola, and COVID-19. For more information, visit Sologenics' website at sologenics.com.
ArtBio expands board of directors with 4 new appointments. Co-founder shifts to technical advisory board. ArtBio Inc. announces 4 new appointments to its board of directors, reflecting the company's commitment to advancing alpha radioligand programs. Maha Katabi, Ph.D., CFA, Robert Mittendorf, M.D., MBA, Julie O'Neill, MBA, and Gabe Gelman bring decades of experience in biotech, healthcare, and investments to the team. Co-founder Roy Larson, Ph.D., transitions to a new technical advisory board within ArtBio. These appointments come after a recent Series B funding round, allowing ArtBio to accelerate multiple impactful programs. CEO Emanuele Ostuni praises Dr. Larson's contributions to the radiopharma field, highlighting his ongoing partnership with the company. ArtBio is pioneering new cancer therapies with its unique Alpha Direct technology and lead program AB001 in clinical trials for metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer.
Investor News Breaks, Massimo Group, NASDAQ memo, expands golf cart production to Vietnam to boost supply chain and meet demand. Massimo Group, NASDAQ, has announced an expansion of its golf cart production to Vietnam to enhance its supply chain and meet increasing demand. The company will now be receiving deliveries of its new 6-seater golf carts from a manufacturing partner in Vietnam, in addition to its production in Garland, Texas. This move is aimed at diversifying the supply chain, improving lead times, and reducing costs. The MVR-4X model, with a 60-kilometer range, 48-volt motor, and advanced safety features, will help Massimo Group meet the growing demand in the U.S. market while safeguarding its long-term margins.
Mountain One participates in Central Berkshire Habitat for Humanity's Women Build. An all-female team of mountaineers from Mountain One recently participated in Central Berkshire Habitat for Humanity's Women Build initiative. Mountain One sponsored the event and contributed to the construction of 2 new condominium units in Pittsfield. The team, including Julie Ryder, Shannon Dozier, Stacy Roman, and others, worked on installing decking and siding for the homes. Brenda Patel, Mountain One's Community Engagement Officer, expressed pride in supporting the community through both financial contributions and hands-on work. Mountain One, headquartered in North Adams, MA, offers a range of financial services through Mountain One Bank, Mountain One Insurance, and Mountain One Investments. Mountain One continues to show its commitment to giving back to the communities it serves.
Investor News Breaks, KYX Platforms, KYX, to host Q2 2025 corporate update call on August 12th. SKYX Platforms Corp., trading as SKYX Technologies, will hold a corporate update conference call on August 12th, 2025 at 10 a.m. ET to discuss its second quarter financial results. The company, known for its advanced smart home technology and ownership of over 100 global patents, will have founder and executive chairman Ronnie Cohen, President Steve Schmidt, and co-CEO Lenny Sokolow in attendance. SKYX aims to enhance safety and lifestyle in homes and buildings with its disruptive platform technologies. For more information, visit skyplug.com or follow them on LinkedIn. Investors can find updates in the company's newsroom at ibn.fn/SKYX.
LaFleur Minerals Inc., lessee LFLR, OTCQB LFLRF, 3WK0, launches diamond drilling at Swanson Project. Beacon Gold Mill valuation is finalized. LaFleur Minerals Inc. has launched a fully funded 5,000-meter diamond drilling campaign at its Swanson Gold Project in Quebec. The Beacon Gold Mill's replacement cost has been valued at over $71.5 million, with rehabilitation and commissioning estimated at $4.1 million. The company has expanded its land package to over 18,300 hectares, highlighting its district-scale potential. LaFleur Minerals, a Canadian near-term gold producer, is focusing on priority targets within the Swanson Gold Deposit, Bartek, Jolin, and Merrimack zones. The drilling program will test key anomalies for additional gold mineralization potential, with assay results expected soon.
Biomed News Breaks. Innovis Bio Inc., ANVSS, secures full patent coverage for new crystalline form of buntanetap. Innovis Bio Inc., a late-stage clinical company focused on neurodegenerative diseases, has secured full patent coverage for a new crystalline form of buntanetap. The expanded intellectual property now covers both the original and new forms of the compound through 2046, including composition of matter, mechanism of action, and use in multiple indications. The new form offers improved stability with bioequivalence confirmed in animal and human studies, as presented at the 2025 Alzheimer's Association International Conference. For more information, visit Innovis Bio's website.
Greenhouse Software appoints Sagar Patel as Chief Technology Officer. Greenhouse, the leading hiring platform, has appointed Sagar Patel as its new Chief Technology Officer. With extensive engineering leadership experience at companies like Ampla, PayPal, and BlackRock, Sagar joins Greenhouse during a period of growth acceleration. His proven track record in leading technical teams will support Greenhouse as it accelerates AI adoption and brings new hiring products to market. As CTO, Sagar looks forward to leveraging Agentic AI software to make recruiting easier and anticipates the evolving hiring needs of tomorrow's workforce. CEO Daniel Chait expressed excitement about Sagar's leadership driving Greenhouse's mission forward. Learn more about the Greenhouse leadership team on their website. Pickle Jar announces new flagship home for Pickle Jar Up All Night radio show. Pickle Jar Entertainment Group has partnered with Midwest Communications to syndicate its country music radio show, Pickle Jar Up All Night, from studios in Nashville, Tennessee. The show will air Monday through Friday from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. Central Time on WNFN-FM. This collaboration aims to bring fresh energy to late-night country radio, featuring fan-favorite stars and emerging voices. Pickle Jar's president, Christian Borowski, expressed excitement about this partnership, highlighting the platform's mission to spotlight rising stars and country icons. This move signifies Pickle Jar's deeper integration with the Nashville music community and commitment to scalable content distribution, transforming it into a comprehensive platform for entertainment industry. For more information, visit Pickle Jar's website.
Club Car Wash opens new location in Round Rock, TX. Club Car Wash has opened a new location in Round Rock, Texas, offering their premium $25 MVP wash for just $1 for a limited time. All proceeds from the $1 washes will benefit the Round Rock Serving Center, a local nonprofit providing assistance to families in crisis. The new location boasts state-of-the-art wash technology, powerful vacuums, free microfiber towels, and unlimited wash membership options for a convenient and consistent clean. Chief Operating Officer Corey Villa expressed their commitment to making a meaningful impact in the community. For more information, visit clubcarwash.com.
Isotropic Corp, IZOZF, advancing next-gen breast cancer imaging. Isotropic Corp is advancing next-gen breast cancer imaging with its IsoView breast CT imaging system. The company is addressing the critical challenges of accurate detection and diagnosis in the fight against breast cancer, especially for women with dense breast tissue. With approximately 316,950 new cases of invasive breast cancer expected in women in 2025, Isotropic's IsoView system is poised to revolutionize breast cancer screening. The company is initiating a strategic awareness and engagement campaign in preparation for future commercialization. For more information, investors can visit the company's newsroom. This segment was brought to you by InvestorWire, a specialized communications platform focused on advanced wire-grade press release syndication for private and public companies. A News Breaks. SafePro Group Inc. expands global patent protection for AI-based explosives detection. SafePro Group Inc., a leader in AI-powered defense solutions, has expanded global patent protection for its Spotlight AI explosives detection technology. The company's Spot-D system, capable of identifying over 150 explosive threats in drone imagery, is now protected under the Patent Cooperation Treaty in 47 jurisdictions. SafePro's proprietary tech, backed by a granted U.S. patent valid through 2043, has identified over 31,600 threats across 7,819 hectares in Ukraine. SafePro Group Inc. is a mission-driven technology company delivering AI-enabled security and defense solutions, specializing in drone imagery processing for rapid identification of explosives threats. Defense News Breaks. SafePro Group Inc. expands global patent protection for AI-based explosives detection. SafePro Group Inc., a leader in AI-powered defense solutions, has expanded its global patent protection for its AI-based explosives detection technology. The company's Spot-D system, capable of identifying over 150 explosive threats in drone imagery, is now protected in 47 jurisdictions. SafePro's proprietary tech, backed by a U.S. patent valid through 2043, has identified over 31,600 threats across 7,819 hectares in Ukraine. SafePro Group Inc. is a mission-driven technology company delivering AI-enabled security and defense solutions, providing advanced situational awareness tools for defense, humanitarian, and homeland security applications globally. BP announces a major oil discovery in Brazil. Earlier this week, British Petroleum, BP, announced a major oil discovery in Brazil, the largest in over 2 decades. The multinational oil and gas firm has shifted its focus back to fossil fuels after previously aiming to reduce hydrocarbon production. Other companies, such as GemXX Corp, OTC EMZ, are also active in the oil sector. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. Mining Newswire provides specialized communication services for the global mining and resources sectors, offering access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communication solutions. Learn more at miningnewswire.com. VinFast opens EV plant in India after halting its U.S. expansion. VinFast, the Vietnamese electric vehicle company, has opened an EV manufacturing plant in India, following a pause in its U.S. expansion plans. This move comes after complaints about vehicle quality. This highlights the importance of quality in the EV market. Meanwhile, startups like Bollinger Innovations and Nasdaq BNI are making strides with their EV models. Green Car Stocks is a platform focused on EVs and green energy, providing access to a wide network for companies looking to reach investors, consumers, and the public.
Investor News Breaks. Lafleur Minerals Inc., LFLR, OFLFLRF, F3WK0, reports early drilling progress at Swanson Gold Project in Quebec. Lafleur Minerals Inc. reported early drilling progress at its Swanson Gold Project in Quebec's Abitibi Greenstone Belt. 7 diamond drill holes totaling 1,764 meters were completed, revealing Pathfinder minerals, widespread alterations, and a standout 17.9-meter sulfide-rich zone in hole SW025-038. Samples from 3 holes have been sent for assay, with results pending. The fully funded 5,000-meter drill program aims to expand known mineralization and test additional regional targets. Lafleur Minerals is focused on developing district-scale gold projects in the Abitibi Gold Belt near Val-d'Or, Quebec, with a mission to advance mining projects like the Swanson Gold Project and the Beacon Gold Mill, which have significant potential to deliver long-term value. The Swanson Gold Project is easily accessible by road, allowing direct access to nearby gold mills, enhancing its development potential.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.